What's up, y'all? It's your girl Alyssa coming to you with another video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and today we're going to get into a review. I haven't done a review in a long time, but it's some concealers that has come out, and I got a couple of coming up, but today I'm going to be doing this one first because I put a poll on YouTube and I asked you guys which one you wanted to see, and this one won. So if you're interested in seeing my review on the Beauty Blender Bounce Concealer, then just keep on watching. And if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below, show your girl some love, and join the ChicMarie family, and let's go. Okay, so you may have noticed I already got my brows and my foundation on. Of course, my foundation is my favorite combo, which is the Juvia's Place mixed with a little bit of the Fenty. I did majority Juvia's today, and I only put a dab of Fenty in there. And I'm looking a little bit darker, but it's okay. We're just going to keep rolling with the punches. So the Beauty Blender Bounce. Let me turn it on bad breaks. The Beauty Blender Bounce Concealer. I got it in the shade Tan Amber, which is 3.75W. Okay, I'm not sure if this is going to be a good shade, if it's too light, too dark, or too close to my skin tone. Of course, I chose it offline, so we'll see. We'll be trying this out, first impressions today. It's called the Airbrush Liquid Whip Concealer, and it's long wear, weightless, full coverage, and brightens and hydrates. So that's the claims on the side of the box. This is the packaging. Please excuse my nails, they're not done right now, girl. Like I mentioned, I got 375 Tan Amber, and let's just jump into this because I'm very curious. I know they had a little, my hands ashy. Ooh, hold on, y'all. I know they got a little backlash when they dropped their foundation, which the foundation was a little bit weird. But so this time they came straight out with 40 shades of the concealer. We love a brand that can get it together and, you know, come back better. So this is the packaging, and this is really cute, nice and sleek. It has some writing on the back, and it just says Bounce in the name of it. You get 0.27 fluid ounces or 7.65 milliliters of product, and the applicator, which I've been seeing, I saw online, is like a mini beauty blender. So let's see the shade because I really don't know. Okay, that's 3.75W. It looked like it's a little close to my skin, but let's just go in with it. Mind you, I just haven't dipped it again. I did that one swatch, and I'm going in and concealing because it did look like it was a lot on this applicator. I think it's super cute that it's in the shape of a beauty blender. Oh, it has a flat side. Okay. I don't know if you can see. You see it has a flat side and a round side. That's cute. So I guess you can apply it easy with the flat side. Okay. We love a good innovative packaging. You know, we love some innovation over here. So this shade is looking, it looked pretty good. It's looking a little warm. Maybe too warm with this warm ass foundation I got on, but we just gonna see. I'm trying to keep it just about the concealer today. I didn't want to make the video too long. I wanted to see how it's gonna blend out, and just if it's gonna really be full coverage, you know, everything we look for in a concealer. So I usually start off on my chin with a sponge. I do have a brush here. We will be using both today, but starting off with my favorite, the e.l.f. sponge. This is the best sponge on the market, period. Got a little extra right there. Take the foundation brush. Okay. Ooh. Okay. This blended in really nicely on the chin. The color is still there, so you can see that it does give it a little bit of a highlight, and it did blend away. You know, sometimes a lot of these concealers will blend away, girl. So I'm gonna say that it's probably, well, I'm not totally sure, but my guess would be that it'll blend in best with the sponge, since this is a product created by Beauty Blender, which, you know, they are known for their sponges. So it's doing really, really good, and it is full coverage. I like how it's sitting on the skin for sure. Okay, I'm gonna take a brush. This is the Real Techniques setting brush, which is a fave. It's looking nice and blended. It did cover up the darkness under my eye. I can see it peeking through just a little bit, but as you can see, I'm all in the mirror. It did pretty good with the brush. Let's go in under the eye with a sponge and see if we see a difference. Oh, it definitely does better with the sponge. What? Y'all see this coverage? Yeah, I feel like the brush was like picking it up and moving it a little bit too much, which doesn't usually happen with brushes, but the sponge is doing really, really good. Look at the difference in the coverage. I'm gonna keep blending this side out for sure, but it's definitely giving me like a more full coverage and a more seamless, like smooth finish. Okay. This is really nice. Ooh, you see that difference. I feel like I'm gonna have to add a little bit more on this side because the coverage is not the same since we use the brush on the right side. So they're saying the formula on Sephora is liquid, but I feel like it's more of a cream. It's kind of thick, but not too thick, you know. It's just, you know, more of a cream to me. But whatever, that's nothing to really debate. I do feel like it blends out really nice. I'm not sure of the color. I feel like it's really, really yellow. I'm definitely gonna have to set using the Laura Mercier, since Laura Mercier doesn't have too much of a shade to it. I wouldn't set this with the banana powder because it would just have me looking like a banana. Let's look at the claims really quick while we just let the concealer sit on the skin. So on Sephora, it says, like I mentioned, weightless full coverage concealer that uses hyaluronic acid and pesticides to create a smooth, undetectable finish. Okay, smooth, undetectable. I mean, it does really look really smooth, and I think it looks very skin-like. I think this could be an everyday concealer for someone who wears fuller coverage, and you know, you can probably sheer this out. But like right now, maybe because my shade isn't really bright, it's not giving me too much of a glam, but bam bam, I think if I had a brighter shade, I probably wouldn't feel like this is everyday concealer. But it very much so could be if you are a full coverage queen, okay? It's not saying too much. It's saying it has a natural finish, it's full coverage, good for normal dry combination and oily skin, and it actually really does have good reviews on Sephora. It has almost 5 stars, so it has 4.5 stars out of 245 reviews, so that's really good. The concealer retails for $26. So we're just gonna blend out our creases, and we're gonna go in and set with the Laura Mercier. And let's just see how this sets. It actually feels really nice on the skin as if I don't need to set it, but I know that that's a blank move if I don't set it because it'd be moving everywhere. Yeah, so the Laura Mercier, since it's kind of like a bone shade, it's not going to make us ashy, but it's going to help tone down the super yellowness in the concealer because it's a little too yellow, especially with my foundation. The Punta Cana Juvia's Place is like really olive, so yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish my face, but I do want to just talk about the concealer and how it's set really quickly. I think it's set really nicely with the Laura Mercier. It's super duper matte now, but of course that's what powder does. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my face so we can talk a little bit more about the concealer. But let me know in the comments below if you tried out this concealer. And Foundation Twins, if you have tried it out, let me know what shade you got because maybe I need to get a different shade. Alright you guys, so this is the final look and I am feeling it. Ooh, we are full coverage queens, okay? Like the concealer has really did what a concealer should be doing. It is nice and smooth under the eye. Even to touch, it feels really, really smooth. So it's safe to say the Beauty Blender concealer paired with the Laura Mercier is a hit. It looks really, really nice. I definitely would recommend it. And I feel like it is worth $26, especially with the amount that I had to use. I didn't have to use a lot. So that means it should be lasting long, okay? Be sure to blend it with the sponge, you know, which is a no-brainer. Since it is from Beauty Blender, we expect it to perform the best with the sponge for sure. I do enjoy the shade. As you guys can see, I'm still a little really yellow under my eyes, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. And I really got to see how it's going to look when I edit, because a lot of times it be looking different. All these different, you know, everything different. Okay, my final verdict is CHICMARIE with the Real Tea Beauty Building Concealer is actually really nice. So all of the good reviews on Sephora is actually facts. Whether they got it, however they got it, it's a very nice concealer. I think it's gonna last all day. We're gonna wear it and see, and you know, I'm gonna continue to use it on my channel. But honestly, you guys, I have a very life update coming very soon, y'all. Things are definitely gonna look different. Well, I don't know, because I might still use my little backdrop. So you may not know, I'm not sure, it depends on how the setup changes, but I got some stuff going on and I can't wait to share it with you guys. I'm so excited. So that's why I've been slow with the filming and everything, because I got a lot going on. Okay, listen. But thank you guys so much for still being with me, watching my videos, showing me love, especially the ones that are also on Instagram. I know I get messages from you guys on Instagram, showing love, responding to my stories and things like that. So I really appreciate it. Definitely check this out. Comment down below. Let me know if you have checked it out. Like I mentioned, I really be looking for you guys to comment and show love. And please give this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot. It gets my video out there. I know a lot of you guys sometimes comment and say, you know, I need more subscribers and more people should be watching me and showing me a lot of love, which I appreciate. The best thing you can do is watch my videos in full, as well as give this video a thumbs up and just engage with the video, because that's what YouTube and the algorithm and all that extra shit be looking for, okay? So yes, comment down below a pink heart if you made it to the end of the video, just in representation of the packaging with all the pink all over it. And I will see you on my next video, girl. Period.